Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 305 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called First Light, a moment to welcome the gentle beginning of a new chapter. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel the quiet glow of the new day within you, the light that rises softly after long nights. You don't have to rush into this day. You're simply allowing light to find you. Now, say to yourself, I open to new peace. I allow clarity to come, and I'll begin again gently. Let each breath remind you that every sunrise is a chance to renew, to soften what's heavy and awaken what's true. When you're ready, gently return to the present and carry this feeling of fresh light with you through your day. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back and carry this calm, grounded peace into your night. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.